how to install TeamViewer on Ubuntu 20.04. Let's go to website of TeamViewer. This is TeamViewer's website. So download for free. So I have Linux, Ubuntu, and there are many Linux versions, but I'm going to download for 64-bit. So let's check where it is. Yeah, it's here. I'm going to make a copy because I don't want to type this long name. So sudo dpkg debian package manager -i means install, and here will be the package name. I'm going to paste it. So here would be my passwords. I think font size is little smaller, so it should be bigger. Yeah, now it's perfect. So passwords again. So perfect, it's done now. Let's clear the screen. Let's check TeamViewer's version. TeamViewer -- version. So this one is 15.15.5. Let's run it. Just we will type TeamViewer, and here we have TeamViewer. So enjoy TeamViewer. Thanks for watching.